Welcome to day 66 of me backtesting my way to success. First trade was a win, and the reasons why I entered were equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high, a liquidity sweep from right here into this golden Fibonacci golden zone, and I entered on a breakthrough structure in the lower time frames. I entered too late because I was skipping forward in the 30 minutes. I would have entered right here had I noticed it a bit sooner, but in the end I entered on one of those two candles, I don't remember even. And yeah, take profits were this small area of liquidity and this area of liquidity, which was also more likely to get taken out because there's this daily order block, not order block, daily fair value gap right here. And so I thought that it made sense for price to go higher. So that's that. Let's just see how the next trade goes. Next trade was a loss, and the reasons why I entered were 4-hour order block right here, break structure, and those two confluences were kind of the only confluences that I was comfortable with, because equilibrium from the swing high to the swing low of the consolidation was kind of I didn't really like this equilibrium, and also not the Fibonacci. I didn't really like it, but I still entered on a breakthrough structure, like I said, in the golden zone. Once again, I was fast forwarding too much. That's why I entered so late. But I probably wouldn't have entered at all, actually, because this was the first good breaker structure, in my opinion, and I wouldn't have liked to enter right here and have this big of a stop loss. And I only placed one take profit, which was the beginning of this order block because of this volume area, as you can see, consolidation, a lot of volume, this area. And the fair value gap already got kind of, placing a take profit at the fair value gap wasn't good enough. I mean, the risk reward ratio wasn't good enough, as you can see. The risk reward ratio would have been below 1, and so that's why I didn't enter for that trade. And yeah, as I said, I think the reason as to why I lost was because of this equilibrium Fibonacci. Didn't really like it, but I didn't find a really good swing high, except for at the top of it. But yeah, so let's just see how the next one goes. And the last trade of today's episode was also a win, and the reasons why I entered were daily fair value gap right here, 4-hour breaker block right here, equilibrium from the swing low to the swing high. And I entered on a break structure inside of the, once price was inside of the golden zone. So I entered on this break structure. Take profits were number one, this area of liquidity. And also I have to say I moved my, okay, no, I'm just gonna. Take profits were this area of liquidity. Take profit 2 was the beginning of this daily fair value gap right here. And the last take profit was this swing high, and the last take profit was really, really greedy. I was very confident with the first two take profits, but not with my last. My stop loss was at first at the bottom of this daily fair value gap, but for the last, so my trades looked like this, 1-to-1 and 1-to-2. Risk reward ratio was fine, and then for this huge S trade, I moved my stop loss a bit more down because it was a really, really greedy trade. And so once my second take profit was hit right here, I instantly moved my stop loss to the break even, which was a good idea because I got stopped out in the end. And yeah, today was a pretty decent episode. We'll just see you in the next one.